What is the frame we should use for this? Is it Hamas was trying to shock the system and trying to, in a sense, shake Israel? Or was it the first in a series of steps that Hamas could be taking, given how much more tactically advanced they were than we thought?
Slowly, Israel was becoming a more and more normal nation. And that is anathema to any group that wants Israel to disappear.
Hamas engaged in a very sophisticated deception campaign over the course of many months before this, because they were actually doing different types of training and activities that were, I think, apparent in plain sight, but they were misinterpreted.
This was very much a part of their campaign. It was sowing, confusion and using social media as a platform to do that. It was part of the plan. But then also it was just things as simple as how social media companies are run. What are the policies? How do they, are the algorithms actually developed to be able to identify bad content?
It is possible to believe two things at the same time. It is possible to believe that the Palestinians deserve a state, as John said, and it's possible to believe that they've got the raw end of the deal more than anybody else in this whole drama. And it's also possible to believe that what Hamas did was evil, absolute evil, and possible to believe that Israel has a right to defend itself against that evil. Those two things are possible to be held at the same time.